Okay, so I'm here at our society and I'm going to do a quick walk around of my Ducati Hypermotard RVE. What I would like to show you guys are the add-ons which I have put onto this motorcycle. So the stock motorcycle does not really come with the EvoTech radiator guard, the engine head guard, as well as the oil cooler guard. So this is an add-on. So this is a must-have because so wherever you go, it will protect the sensitive components behind this from stones, pellets, and all of it. Coming to this side, it got the Ducati clutch cover, and I'll show you how it looks like when the engine is running. Keep on rotating, it looks good. This is one component. Even though it looks like two different pieces, this is one component. You can see the engine oil level in there. It's on the side stand, so that's how it looks like. So this is how it looks like when the engine is running. And it got the EvoTech frame slider. So this is the frame, and this slider is attached to it, and hence called the frame slider. And coming onto this side, this is another Ducati part which has got attached to it. Again, it's a look good factor for the motorcycle. That's pretty much it. I got the SARD exhaust slip-on. I like this because it's not too loud, it is not too muffled up. It's not as loud as the SC projects. I really like this one. And here it's supposed to come an indicator holder along with the mud guard. So that has been removed in order to make it look like tail tidy. At the back, this is how the indicators look like when they are on. So I have removed that part which has the indicator as well as the mud guard to make it look tidy. So this is another modification which I have done. Again, the SARD exhaust. And here is another component. Again, a feel good factor. It's the Ducati part. And that's another thing on this side. Most other things are stock. It got quick shifter assembly that comes in as stock with the motorcycle, and this side also got the frame slider on, again from EvoTech. And that's pretty much what I have. The thing which I want to add over here is an EvoTech handguard, because this is not that stable in the event which you fall. It's plastic. It will not help even with a drop. So that's a short wrap of the walk around of my Ducati Hypermotard RVE. Thank you for watching.